Okay, so Facebook. First, I'm going to check in. So I had lunch at Brewed and Barley, and we were eating lunch. Okay, now I'm going to come down here, click photos. There's two photos from our meal, the pork and polenta and the Philly cheesesteak. And then I'm going to tag the restaurant with an @. There they are, Brewed and Barley, North Little Rock Eats, NLR Eats. My privacy is set to public. Done. Post. Ta-da! And I'm going to post. There's my food. And we're going to select multiple. That one and that one. Looks good. Same thing. Do the @ to try to tag the business. Brewed. There they are, Brewed and Barley. NLR Eats. Done. I'm going to go ahead and add the location here. It's just another way for people to be able to find the business that you're at. And here it is.